Hey guys, and welcome. I am Michael.
And I am Miranda, and we are the Danish power couple. We help entrepreneurs build their business from within using passionate marketing.
Yes, and we personally hold your hand and guide you through the 6 levels of success for you to build the right foundation, to attract the right people and customers to you and your business. And we love doing what we're doing. Today, we have a new exciting tip for you, knowledge that we have implemented and gone through ourselves. So whatever you learn on this channel, it is something we have tested, something we know will give you the results if you implement them. Simple ways of implementing the knowledge we give you, and you will start getting results in your business.
Yes. Yeah, exactly. So what we want to share with you today is all about how you serve your audience. Okay, so for the first long time in our business, when we went online, we were not marketers, we were spammers. We spammed whatever we could on our timelines, and we talked to whoever we got a chance to talk to. We sent friend requests to people that were not even fit for our business. So when you build your network marketing business online, it's really important to understand how you can serve your audience. And when you do it, it's never with you in your mind, it's always your audience you need to have as a guideline on what to post and how to give them even more value. The reason you want to not only post the right thing on Facebook or wherever you are on social media, it's also important to have more value you can give them so you can have them in your email list. You want to create leads that opt into the offers you have outside of Facebook. And the guideline should be that the more value you can give, the more people will come to you and buy whatever offer you have. So it's also important that you actually have an offer that or a solution that you can provide your audience with. So if your audience is people that needs weight loss and you don't have a weight loss product, then you don't have a solution for your audience. If you talk mindset and you don't have a solution that can help them with their mindset, you are not making money on anything. Okay?
So all about the personal value ladder.
Exactly. So what you want is to, of course, provide value on your Facebook, and that's the first place, or Instagram, or wherever you are on social media. You will provide value and build relationships where people are. At some point, you will also figure out that you need to have some workbooks, ebooks, maybe a boot camp, maybe a PDF with some tips on that you actually can give your audience when they need it. And when you do that, it should be in a capture page so you can collect their emails, because you are not owning any social media out there. The only thing you actually own on the internet is actually your email list. And this is a place where you can provide them even more value, and maybe even give them an offer or something new that you are doing. So it all ends up in you providing different kind of value. And that can be your Facebook or something else that has nothing to do with social media, but something that you have created that they can have. Do you want to add anything?
No, you just give them some examples.
Yeah, it could be, let's just say that you are in health and wellness. You should know your audience. You should know what their struggle is. So let's say it's people that need to lose weight, and you actually know, maybe you have lost weight yourself. Put your journey and the steps you took into an ebook. Then go do a live video or a post on Facebook or Instagram or LinkedIn or wherever you are in the big social world. Talk about your journey. If you have had the right audience on your profile and you say, hey, if you want to have the steps I took in a PDF, comment PDF in the comments, and you will have a lot of people doing that. And when you give them the PDF, you have served them with even more value. Next time you do a call to action, do you want my cheat sheet on what to eat from morning to night and lose 5 pounds before New Year or whenever it is? And you have people say, yes, I would love that. And when you start building this relationship because you have given them value, at some point you might have a boot camp going where the end result is them buying whatever product you have. So the more value you have given to a person and then ask them or provide them a solution that costs money, that could be a product that you actually have, or it could be a wellness program that you that costs some money, okay? They will say yes, because you have provided them with value and they know that what you give, they can use.
So they are actually willing to give you their hard-earned money because you have built relationship with them, you have given them free value, you have given them some aha moments, maybe motivated them to do better in whatever struggle they are having, whatever it might be. When you eventually do have something that is a solution for them and it costs money, they will be willing to pay that.
And that's how you build a huge network of people that actually wants to buy whatever you have. So
if you are here and your family pack of whatever amazing product you have in your network marketing business is here, you will. Why should people just jump from here and join you over here without having a value ladder to get there? So the more you can get in between you and the final product, of giving massive value, expecting nothing, just giving value because it feels so amazing to help other people, you will get the right people reaching out to you and say, hey, I want that. And you will start building a business. But all it takes is you building yourself up first. For you building yourself is actually having more and more value. Understanding, more and more value, understanding on what your target market needs, understanding on what works, what doesn't work, and it is an amazing journey because it all comes from within.
Yes, and you could sit there and think, why should they not buy my stuff? It's amazing. But what you want is to build the know, like, and trusted people. Today is totally different. If you go out there and make a contact with a person and try to sell your family pack right away, they will reject you because they are not into getting to know you for you to sell them something. But if you could build a relationship of the value that you give them, they will stand here. If they're the right person and your solution fits them, they will say, hell yeah, I want that. But only if you have provided them with whatever solution of free value, because that is where you build the relationship. This is where you build the know, like, and trust. And without that, you have nothing. You have only you and your product. Okay? So you better get it into your head that people will not buy from you over and over again if you don't build that relationships in between.
And that also means that you're doing like maybe thousands of other people are doing. So you're competing with a lot of people in your company.
Yeah.
But if you build your personal value ladder, it will be one of a kind in the whole world because you are unique. And your personal ladder will be unique. Your way of thinking, how to go out and give value will be unique. And that is you standing out, showing exactly what you can do for them. Not your product, but what you can do. And when you show them the right solution, you will feel the magic.
Exactly. So, and today is your lucky day. If you want to know exactly what steps to take to provide that kind of value, to be that person online that builds relationships based on value, we are starting a boot camp next week.
Yeah, on Monday.
And you can be in it. So don't hesitate. to click the link below, to have a call with us and be in our bootcamp, because it's amazing and you will learn all that we just talked about, how to start building and engaging and serving your audience, okay?
So let us take you through these 5 days of lots of fun and knowledge. If you see yourself fit, comment below, reach out to us, and we will make sure that you will be added the bootcamp group.
It's for free.
For free.
So
Always.
that
Always.
was it for us today.
Yeah. High
Don't
five.
forget to subscribe and set your notifications so you don't miss out on anything that we provide on this channel. Have a beautiful, beautiful day.